Happy Friday, parents. Today is April 16th, and we made it through our week of CMAS. I know that the kids were feeling a little bit anxious, but they did such a good job with CMAS. We were so proud of their effort and just their motivation each day, and so a lot of that motivation came from you guys. So thank you for filling out those letters. I know that they were so meaningful. Every day they walked in and they said, okay, where's my letter for today? Who's it from? And they were so excited to read those. They wanted to set them up on their desks all day, and it was just a great way to motivate them. So thank you. Also, with CMAS, we do a yearly celebration to help the kids realize that their effort was worth it. And I mean, we just want to celebrate that they worked so hard all year and that they sat down and persevered through the test. And so we do a yearly CMAS celebration. This year we'll be watching Ice Age. And so thank you to everybody who's filled out the Google form. With that being said, we want to make this a little extra special. So the school is donating popcorn, and I'm sending out a sign up today that just has a couple of small items on it, like almost like a concession stand. So a couple drink options and a couple of candy options. And I appreciate anybody who's able to donate. If not, I know that I've asked for donations for parties and everything this year, so I completely understand. Coming up next week, we do have CMAS math opt-in for those parents who chose to do the opt-in for their child, which will take place Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. If you did not, we will have a normal schedule next week, and we'll continue on our way with our content areas that we're working with. So next week we'll be working on poetry. We'll switch over to my favorite history, Unicolonial America, and we will keep working with standards in reading. And so look for a spelling list starting again next Tuesday. And also tonight, look for a rundown of what the Colonial Wax Museum is. It's changed up a little bit this year just due to our restrictions, because it's usually an after-school event. So we're turning it into a half-day celebration. They will still do their Colonial Wax Museum project, which we will begin Monday. And so no stress on starting that yet. You will see the directions and guidelines on the paper that comes home tonight, though. If you have any questions about that, please let me know, and we'll be in touch about it for sure. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and hopefully the snow doesn't stick around too long. Thanks, and have a good one.